Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I do a lot of different things here. I do diamond painting, I do crochet, I do books. I have a live on Saturdays and I do a couple of lives throughout the week. One is for books, book talk, and one is for crochet. So I do a lot of different things. I hope that you find something here that you enjoy and you stick around and you come back and see more content. And for everybody who is returning, thank you so much for returning. And let's get on with the show. So what do I have today? I have diamond painting to show you today. These diamond paintings come to us from Fansells. These are my fantastic Fansells finds, right? So let's get into it. I have some wonderful things here to show you. All right, let's start with this cutie right here. Could not resist this guy. Little 30 by 30. This little picket fence with the sunflowers blooming. We got butterflies and bees and all kinds of flowers blooming. Doesn't that just scream summer? I just planted sunflowers yesterday. Hopefully they're going to grow and I'm going to get some sunflowers in my flower garden. But how cute is that? A little 30 by 30 with 10 different drills. 10 kinds of drills. Look at that. I see some big special ones in there. I see some on the fence. Let's just get into it so we can see what we have. I love it. Thought it was super cute. I will link all of the paintings below, all of the items below, so that you can find them if you're interested. All right, here we go. What do we have? So let's start off with some clear rhinestones, some light green, some gold, and kind of like an amber color. That's all the rhinestones right there, folks. That's it. All right. Here we have some gold faceted rounds, and we have these beauties right here. Can you tell that those are iridescent, AB coated? They're like a gold, but they're picking up pink and purple and green and blue, all kinds of colors. These are coated also. Those are pretty. Those are clear, but they're picking up other colors. Again, with the AB coating. Love it. The green, pretty. These marquees. Then we have some pearly blue teardrops and some little pink marquees. Love it. That's super cool. I love the AB coated things. They're just so pretty and shiny. So believe it or not, that is the only painting that I got. The only painting. The other two items are not paintings. So what did I get? Things that come in boxes. Things that come in boxes are always fun. Love it. Oh yes, 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 yes. Okay, come on. I need the rest of the stuff out of here. Got a chain coming out, so we know it's going to be a hanging item. And we have some drills. Somewhere in there is the standard toolkit with wax, boat, and pen. Okay, so there's our chain. Here's our drills. And here is our piece. I love it. This, oh my gosh, I'm on a theme here, aren't I? Sunflowers. It's summer. I want sunflowers and daisies and bees. I love it. So pretty. So it says welcome. It's got 2 holes here at the top to put your chain and hang it from. It is one-sided. It is not double-sided, so I'll show you the back. It's backwards on the back, but you're not going to be looking at it from the back. These usually have a film on them to protect them from scratches and things. I'm not going to fight with it too much, but normally you peel off this little film and they're really shiny on the back. And I just cut my nails off. I say that, I think, every time. I don't know. I can't get a film to come off here. Let's see. It's wanting to right here. There is one on there. There is. See, you got to just pick at it for a while. It helps if you have some nails or tweezers or something. See? Peel that off and look how shiny it is on the back. Super shiny. I love it. So there you go. I'll put that back on there for now. Isn't that cute? Cute. All right, let's look at our drills. It's, like I said, it's a flowery kind of day. Sunflowers and bees and butterflies. Got them all. That will look cute hanging up somewhere in my house this summer. I switch out my hanging things. I have different hanging items for different times of the year, and I switch them out. And then I have started storing them in my basement on it's like a tie hanger with lots of little hooks, you know, that you can hang ties on. Works great. All right, our rhinestones are yellow, orange, clear, green, blue, peachy color, and that looks like a reddish color. Then we have, here come the iridescents again, iridescent clear marquees, iridescent blue marquees, and then we have some little green marquees, smaller. Nope, those are, I'm sorry, those are teardrops. Those are marquees and those are teardrops. I am mistaken. Anyhow, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to put the chain right in here with the drills so I don't have to worry about losing them. Okay, so there's that item. Summer, summer, summer. All right, this one's heavy. This one's got a lot going on. I did open this up as I was searching to see who this was from. I pulled this one out and gave it a little look-see. So, all right, what else do we have? Oh, we got pieces and parts. Okay, look at our pieces and our parts first. We have nuts and bolts and things, rods, stems. Okay, no idea how we're going to use those. Not a clue. But let me show you the piece and we'll go from there. Here's our drills. Not a ton of drills. All right, so I have here one piece of plexiglass cut in this interesting shape. You can tell it's cloudy, so it has a film on it. You need to make sure you take the film off both sides of this, okay? That is the back side. And you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. I don't know why we have 4 holes, but we have 2 of these dowelly rod type things. If we got 4 holes, I don't know. We'll have to do a little investigation here. A little investigation. And here is our piece. It is very, very pretty. So this is a picture frame, is what this is supposed to be, is a picture frame. Where you can slide a picture in here, right? So somehow these are supposed to go together. Now we have 4 holes in each of these pieces. So I would assume, maybe, I don't know. I would have assumed that there would be 4 of these to separate them and keep it apart a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes you need an engineer to figure these things out. I'm telling you. I wondered if they came apart or if they were one solid on one end, solid on the one end, and it's got a place to screw into on the other end. So I don't know. Then I've got these guys. I don't know. And I have these. No idea. No idea how this is going to work. My thought was, if you put this through here, it doesn't fit. Okay, well, that's good. That's great. Okay. Does it fit through this one? No. Doesn't fit through that one either. Okay. This is a job for the husband. Husband. I don't know. So I would have assumed they'd came through, but maybe only this goes through. But then what? Then what? Where does it go after that? It's got to come through the hole somewhere, doesn't it? I really don't know. I have no idea. Okay, we're going to put that aside for now, and we'll look at that. So there's different, like that's an actual screw, and this is more like a nut. Like these would go to, I don't know. Okay, we'll let Mr. Dipple play around with that for a while and see if he can figure that out. And I might have to go back to the website and look at the picture. Little directions would have been great, right? Little directions would have been awesome. And there's no picture on the box of it or anything. All right. Okay, but it's very pretty. Again, with the flowers. And again, more sunflowers, of course. Look at all the butterflies tucked in there. Big butterfly right there. It's super pretty. And then you just be able to put a picture in here. And somehow, you're supposed to be able to come apart to slide your picture in and maybe have a little tiny gap in there. I don't know. It's above my pay grade for today. I'll tell you that. We'll work it out. Okay, rhinestones first. What do we have? We have a pretty light green, a blue, a pink, a purple, a yellow, a blue, another purple. Then we have pretty, the clear pink marquee, green faceted marquees, blue faceted marquees, and gold faceted marquees. So it's going to be pretty. One way or another, it's going to be pretty. We'll figure this out. We will figure this out. Look, we have 4 of these guys, and 2 like that, 2 like this, 2 like that, 4 of those. I don't know. I just don't know yet. All right, so that's what we have. We have our picture frame. We have our cute little sunflower hanging that will go hanging in my house. And the pretty painting that, you know, I love that as well. So what do you think? What do you like? It's way too far away for you to even see, isn't it? Let's move them down. Let's move them down a little bit. What do you think? What's your favorite? Let me know if you've ever gotten one of these picture frames. This was the first one I saw, and now I'm seeing more varieties with different pictures around the picture frame. So we'll give it a go, and we'll see what happens. Probably save this for Smashing the Specials in August, which is coming up faster than we know, right? It's really coming up quickly. Anyhow, that's what I have, you guys. Again, they'll all be linked below. Check it out. And thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe button if you are new here and you enjoyed the video. And like I said, come back and see some other things. I do lots of different things, lots of variety. All right. That's it, folks. I will talk to you soon. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye, you guys.